Well, welcome to Northeast Missouri Angler. So I'm out here chasing crappie again. I'm the only one in the parking lot, so I think I'm going to have the lake to myself today, for at least for a while. It's supposed to have real high winds. It's blowing about 20 right now. I'm kind of sheltered where I'm at. When I get out here on the main body, it's going to be pretty rough. And I'm going to find a place to hide out of the wind and see if I can't catch some of these crappie. So stick around. Well, I found a spot hiding here behind this bluff. Getting out of the wind, it's pretty sporty to go across the main body, but it isn't too bad here where I'm at, so we're gonna give her a try, see if we can find some fish. I'm using today, I'm gonna start the day out with anyway. I'll probably switch back and forth. If you watch the last couple of videos, you know I've been using that Wild Willie's OCD and that Cajun Cricket, that orange and yellow with an orange Crush dwarf pillhead jig from Thumper Jigs is my hook, but I'll mix it up a little bit today. I'm going to start out using this hair jig from JB's Custom Crappie Jigs. It's orange, gold, 1/8 ounce. I don't know what it's called, maybe something Sunrise, I don't know. I'm horrible remembering names for all this stuff. And then I got a deal on I got a 12-foot war pig I'm using with it. It's a little windy today. Maybe the wind won't catch this rod as bad. There he is, right there. Looks like a good one. Oh yeah. That's 10-incher right off the bat. On the hair jig from BJ's. Or JB's Custom Crappie Jig. Some water in the live well here. There we go. One. Nice 10-incher. Like that hair jig. There. Go for a little bigger one, maybe. Nine and a half. Put him back. Go for a bigger one. What I'm doing is I'm rubbing some of this Wild Willie's waxy sauce scent. There, I'm rubbing that on my jig. Go. One right there. Like a good one. Oh, it is. Real good one. Nice 10-incher. Oh yeah, solid 10. Maybe touch over. There we go. A 9-incher. 9.5, something like that. Not a bad fish, but I'm going after 10 and above. A little more waxy sauce seems to help making them. They go up, kind of look at it, and you put this on there, they go right up there and grab it. They don't hesitate at all. Amazing what a little scent does. He was looking pretty doom and gloom earlier. Now it's just sun shining and windy. I'm glad I'm hiding in behind this bluff. Find another group. That's how it is. You find a group, catch one or two, and then the active fish pull off. Just go find another group. There's plenty out here. There we go. That looked like a nicer one. Oh yeah. Good crappie. It's 11 plus right here. There we go. Good one. Oh yeah. Right at 11. Good fish. There we go. There's another one. There we go. Feels good. Another 11. Boom, boom. 3 more down there that look this big. Yep. Solid. There we go. One. 10-incher. Eater. It's a nice eater. Yep. 10-inch fish in the sprinkles. There he is. Oh, 11-inch. Solid 11 right there. Good fish, real good fish. There we go, right there. Eater, about 9-inch, 9.5, somewhere in there. There we go. 10-inch fish. For sure. There. Go. Another good fish. And the wind's blowing though. Another nice 10.5 one. There he is. There it is. Another big one. A little one. And that wind's getting it now. Hoping to get in and get out before it got really bad. That main body's going to be pretty wicked getting back. There we go. There's another good one. Feels good. Oh yeah. Go. One more. 10-incher right there. The camera shut off. Here's the last one right here. Boom. A little over 11. Well, that's going to do it for me today, out battling the wind. Didn't take long. The fish were very aggressive. They were moving up. I was only out there about 2.5 hours and I was done. I got a nice limit of anywhere from 10 to 11.5 inchers. Yeah, today I did a little different. Today I switched up a little shorter rod. This is the H&H War Pig in 12 foot. And then today I used a 1/8 ounce head hair jig from JB's Custom Crappie Jigs. That's it right there. I don't know the color. I think it's something sunrise, or I don't know. It's orange and gold. But if you go to the JB's Custom Crappie Jigs website, he's got pictures of all of them. That's what it looks like. All in all, windy. Started out a little cool. Now it's not bad at all. Now the sun's out. I got sprinkled on. I've had to deal with wind. I've had to deal with rain. And then nice and sunny. So I've seen it all today out there. But I'm in and out and done. Got my limit. And I had a friend that stopped and said, "Hey, you fishing today?" I said, "No, it's too windy." He said, "Man," he said, "I'd sure like some crappie." He said, "You got any?" And I said, "No, we ate the ones we caught the other day." So I said, "I tell you what, I'll go battle the wind. I need to make a video out of it anyway." So David, your crappie are in the boat. I'll be stopping on the way home. You'll already probably eat them by the time you see this. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button down there at the bottom and the bell next to it, and notify you when I post the videos. And if you want, smash that thumbs up for a like too. That'll help out. And as always, thanks for watching.